everyone, today let me introduce this new type SRW3 laser welding machine. This is air cooling laser welding machine, different with the water cooling machine. So it's very light and small, just about 0.2 cpm. This machine will use RAC global type, so whatever you are, which country you are from, can fix it very easily. And every machine is showing very clearly, so you are worried about some, you can check it on screen. This place very clearly show everything. On the above is the wire feeding machine, and this is a laser gun of the laser machine. This laser gun is very light, and it's very light, and you can change the length. It's very easily. You can. I will show how to change the length. It's very easily, and you can working whole day or whole night because very light. Very well the different materials and not feel tired because it's very light, and can bring the machine and the line is very long to any place easily. And we will show the machine parts. This is weld gun, different size laser weld gun, and this is glass for protect your eyes. And every part is very complete, so no, don't worry, lost some. And this is electronic lens for connector other parts and other place. Thank you.